Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very interesting and delicious recipe for all the egg lovers. This is double egg toasts. I can't wait to share it with you guys, so let's get started and check it out. First we're going to make the egg mixture. To a bowl, crack open 2 eggs. I'm just going to dilute it to make it a little more fluffy by adding 1 teaspoon of water. Just sprinkle a little salt. Whisk it nicely and keep it aside. Now I'm just going to coat the boiled egg with some salt and chili powder. So just let's make a mixture of the salt and chili powder first. I'm just going to make a few slits on the boiled egg. Roll the egg on the salt and chili powder so it coats it beautifully and it also gives a very nice flavor. How do you like your eggs? Boiled, scrambled, omelets or any other way? Let me know in the comment section. We're going to make this double egg toast in a tempering pan. Pour a little oil into the pan. Just dab a little oil on the walls of the pan. Once the oil is heated, pour in the egg mixture. Maintain the flame on low throughout. Now gently place the prepared egg in the center. To make it all the more tasty and flavorful, add some finely chopped onions, a few finely chopped green chilies, and a few finely chopped coriander leaves. Now season it with a little salt and sprinkle some chili powder. Now gently place a slice of cheese on top and cover it with a slice of bread. I've cut the bread slice to fit the tempering pan. Now gently press the bread slice. Continue to cook for another 2 minutes. And you can slowly start releasing the egg from the sides. Once it's cooked on one side, turn off the stove. Place a plate on top of the pan and gently flip it to the other side. Now place the prepared egg back onto the pan, keep it on the stove and continue to cook on low heat for another 2 minutes till the egg toast is completely done. The double egg toast is almost done, so just release it from all the sides. Turn off the heat and serve this delicious double egg toast nice and hot. Just garnish it with a few finely chopped onions and coriander before serving. This is a very simple and easy to make dish that's perfect to enjoy anytime. I'm just going to cut into it to show you how it looks inside. Oh wow, just look at that. It looks absolutely gorgeous and it's just perfect. Well, I've cut it into 4 pieces because obviously I can't put the whole thing in my mouth. Well, it's time to taste. I'm just speechless at the moment because of all the flavors and the goodness of the eggs and cheese and of course the mild taste of onions. Perfect for all the egg lovers. You must try this. Well, that was literally magic in a pan. I absolutely loved it. It was literally like eating an egg bomb with so much of flavors. So if you're looking to make something really interesting and different with eggs, this is the recipe you should try. So enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.